Welcome back to the world of procrastinating like a pro. Today's design is for all my pizza lovers out there. Yep, you know who you are. The ones who think life goals means finishing a whole pizza by yourself. So without further ado, let me present the most cheesy life advice you'll ever need. Take life one slice at a time. Let's talk about this beautiful slice of pizza you're seeing here. I kept it simple, but oh so relatable. The slice is dripping with cheesy goodness because, let's face it, that's what life should be. And that message, take life one slice at a time, isn't just advice, it's a survival guide. It's telling you, hey, don't stress, you don't have to devour the whole pizza, life in one bite. Relax. Enjoy it, one gooey, delicious slice at a time. So I slapped on this motivational quote, bold and red, right across the pizza. It's almost like the pizza itself is giving you life advice. Who wouldn't take advice from a pizza slice? Take life one slice at a time. It's basically saying, don't panic, life's messy and that's okay. Plus, red text, it's like the sauce of the message, essential and impossible to miss. And now for the fun part, making sure this bad boy is available on anything and everything. From stickers, to t-shirts, to pillows, you can now carry this little piece of life wisdom wherever you go. Want to stare at it on a water bottle while you pretend you're working? Done. Need a motivational reminder on a hoodie for those just one more episode Netflix nights? Say no more. Look at that. We've got this pizza slice design ready to slap onto any product your heart desires. Stickers for your laptop, t-shirts for your wardrobe, and hey, why not grab a pizza slice themed throw pillow for those nights when you need emotional support from your favorite comfort food? Alright, that's it for today's cheesy adventure. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more delicious designs and more terrible life advice based on food. Remember folks, whether it's pizza or life, always take it one slice at a time. Stay saucy, stay cheesy, and I'll see you next time.